Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy by Nature. Today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for your health: how to boost your immunity naturally. If you're tired of catching every cold that goes around, or you just want to give your body the best possible defense against illness, this video is for you. Over the next 15 minutes, I'm going to share 7 powerful science-backed strategies that you can start implementing today to strengthen your immune system naturally. And here's the best part: you don't need expensive supplements or complicated protocols. Most of these strategies cost little to nothing and can easily fit into your daily routine. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. And if you find value in today's content, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who could benefit from this information. Let's get started. Strategy 1. Sleep, your immune system's best friend. The first and arguably most important strategy is getting quality sleep. I cannot stress this enough. Sleep is when your immune system does its most important work. During deep sleep, your body produces infection-fighting cells and antibodies. Studies show that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep are 3 times more likely to catch a cold compared to those who sleep 8 hours or more. Here's what you need to know about immune-boosting sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. This isn't just a suggestion, it's what your immune system requires to function optimally. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your immune system thrives on routine. Create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom cool, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Make it as dark as possible, and eliminate blue light from devices at least an hour before bed. Try the 3-2-1 rule. No food 3 hours before bed, no liquids 2 hours before bed, and no screens 1 hour before bed. The simple hack I love is keeping a notepad by your bed. If your mind starts racing with tomorrow's to-do list, write it down and let it go. Your immune system will thank you for the peaceful sleep. Strategy 2. Nourish your gut, as 70% of your immunity lives here. Here's something that might surprise you. About 70% of your immune system is located in your gut. This means that what you eat directly impacts how well you can fight off infections. The key is feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. These good bacteria literally train your immune system and help it distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless substances. Foods that boost gut immunity. Start with fermented foods. Include yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha in your daily routine. Even just a small serving can make a difference. Prebiotic foods feed your good bacteria. Think garlic, onions, asparagus, bananas, and oats. These foods contain the fiber that beneficial bacteria love to eat. Colourful fruits and vegetables provide antioxidants and phytonutrients that support immune function. Aim for at least 5 servings per day and try to eat the rainbow. Different colours provide different immune-supporting compounds. Foods that hurt gut immunity. Limit processed foods, excessive sugar, and artificial sweeteners. These can feed harmful bacteria and create inflammation in the gut. Here's a simple daily practice. Start each morning with a glass of water containing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps maintain healthy gut pH and supports digestive health. Strategy 3. Move your body. Exercise as medicine. Regular moderate exercise is like a tune-up for your immune system. It increases circulation, which helps immune cells move through your body more effectively. It also reduces chronic inflammation, which can weaken immunity over time. But here's the key. We're talking about moderate exercise, not intense training that leaves you exhausted. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. This could be a brisk walk, swimming, cycling, or dancing, whatever you enjoy. Strength training 2-3 times per week helps maintain muscle mass and supports overall health, which indirectly supports immunity. Be careful not to overdo it. Intense exercise without adequate recovery can actually suppress immune function temporarily. Listen to your body. One of my favorite immune-boosting activities is walking in nature. You get the benefits of moderate exercise plus fresh air and stress reduction. Studies show that spending time in forests can increase natural killer cells, important immune system defenders. Quick tip, if you're feeling under the weather, stick to gentle movement like stretching or a slow walk. And strategy 4, manage stress. The hidden immunity killer. Chronic stress is one of the biggest threats to a healthy immune system. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol, which suppresses immune function over time. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that you get sick during particularly stressful periods? That's not a coincidence. Simple stress management techniques that support immunity, deep breathing exercises. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Do this 4 times whenever you feel stressed. Meditation or mindfulness. Even 10 minutes a day can significantly reduce stress hormones and support immune function. Apps like Headspace or simple guided meditations on YouTube can get you started. Time in nature. I mentioned this earlier with exercise, but it's worth repeating. Nature exposure reduces cortisol levels and boosts mood-supporting neurotransmitters. Social connections, spending time with loved ones, laughing and feeling supported, all boost immunity. Loneliness and social isolation have been shown to weaken immune response. Boundaries. Learn to say no to commitments that drain your energy. Your immune system needs you to protect your time and energy. Here's something I do daily. I keep a gratitude journal. Each morning I write down 3 things I'm grateful for. This simple practice has been shown to reduce stress hormones and improve overall well-being. Remember, you can't eliminate all stress from your life, but you can change how you respond to it. Strategy 5. Hydrate and get strategic with nutrients. Proper hydration is crucial for immune function. Your lymphatic system, which is part of your immune system, relies on adequate fluid to transport immune cells throughout your body. Hydration guidelines. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water. Start your day with a large glass of water to rehydrate after the night's fast. Key immune supporting nutrients. Vitamin D, this is probably the most important immune nutrient. Most people are deficient, especially in winter months. Get your levels tested and consider supplementation if needed. Safe sun exposure and foods like fatty fish can help. Vitamin C. While it won't prevent colds, adequate vitamin C supports immune cell function. Get it from whole foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers and broccoli rather than megadose supplements. Zinc. This mineral is crucial for immune cell development. Good sources include pumpkin seeds, chickpeas and grass-fed beef. Elderberry. This has been used traditionally for immune support, and some studies suggest it may help reduce the duration of cold symptoms. My daily immune-supporting drink recipe. -1 cup warm water. -1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon raw honey. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Pinch of turmeric. This provides vitamin C, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in a delicious warming drink. Strategy 6. Temperature therapy and fresh air. This might sound old-fashioned, but our grandparents were onto something with fresh air and temperature exposure. Cold exposure, brief cold showers or cold plunges, can stimulate immune function. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your regular shower and gradually increase the time. The key is brief exposure, not prolonged suffering. Heat therapy. Saunas have been shown to increase white blood cell production and improve circulation. Even a hot bath can provide some benefits. Fresh air, indoor air, can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Open your windows daily when possible and spend time outside breathing fresh air. Sunlight, natural light exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which impacts immune function. Try to get outside within the first hour of waking, even if it's cloudy. A simple practice I recommend is the morning fresh air ritual. Step outside for just 5 minutes each morning, take some deep breaths and set your intention for the day. This combines fresh air, sunlight and mindfulness all in one. Strategy 7. Consistency and lifestyle integration. Here's the truth. None of these strategies work if you only do them occasionally. The magic happens with consistent daily practices. How to make these habits stick? Start small. Pick one strategy and focus on that for a week before adding another. Stack new habits onto existing ones. For example, do your gratitude practice while you drink your morning coffee. Track your progress. This doesn't have to be complicated. Even check marks on a calendar can help you stay consistent. Be patient with yourself. Building new habits takes time, and your immune system responds to long-term consistency, not short-term perfection, final thoughts. Your immune system is incredibly intelligent and powerful when you give it what it needs. These 7 strategies: quality sleep, gut health, moderate exercise, stress management, proper hydration and nutrition, temperature therapy, and consistency. What's one strategy you're going to start implementing today? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and love hearing about your health journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy naturally.